morning, good morning. Anian namin sa amo ang mga trabaho karon kada buntag. Magtuwa og iring og iro. Magpalakaw-lakaw sa paggawa sa mo mga iring og mga iro.
Mommy, watch out, there's a dead creature there.
What you mean by dead creature?
Mine that wasp thing.
Okay. Nga init man ron, dito may maglakaw-lakaw sa pudmi oy kay
There's a few.
nagtanggong dito nga, grabe ka init nga panahon. Yes. Ang gis, grabe mapud kaayo ka samaw ay. Among mga iring og iro. Kalay din sa iring. Yeah, kitikat. Kitikat. Duha man ni sila ka kitikat. Kining lugar din grabing hangina. Pati ang nasa dinhi gibutang gipanggisi sa hangin. Apil na didto. Pati ang amo ang kanibitong na ay butanganan sa pandong-pandong nini ba og mainit na. Gibali pud sa hangin. Isog kay mga hangin dire oy. Ang mga namuyo ra diri mga dili isog. Isog di ay usahay. Bitaw. Mag-walking na ta kay para mga hilis ni mga bells. Daghan mga trabaho din hing dapita ini ka spring ug summer. Haskan ang daghana kay ting garden naman, anya ting tanom na buwak. More videos to come about gardening. Sunny day today and we are calling for above 50s this week. Hopefully magtuloy-tuloy na. It continue because I am excited to have a garden again and to plant. So right now I'm gonna bring you and have a sneak peek of what's the situation here after the snow melted. So here it is. Mauni din hing amo ang this is our unfinished greenhouse here. So we are thinking to finish this greenhouse, and that's the raised bed there, and that's another couple raised bed. So we were working for this greenhouse this coming spring, and we have a lot of work to do. We tried our best the last time, but we cannot really. We have a lot in our hands. Okay, behind me is my raised bed garden, and the other side too. Going to put the middle. You know, kanang balay-balay bitaw, the trellis for my opo or for the vines, because I don't want to go down there and run around going back and forth, especially with this when this boy with me all the time. So I want my garden to be in one area. Sorry guys, kasi samaw kaayo ang panahon karon. Nagi ka man paingon pa mi mag-walking. Our raised bed garden here, and this area here is not done yet, so we're working for it.
Hey, leave her be.
Okay,
Leave her be.
it's really beautiful today.
Now?
May mga
What?
bata diri iro og bata nga gapabadlong. The sun, it's almost sitting down. It's the sunset. Pretty soon. Nami sa likod sa fish pond ba? Kabalay sa likod.
Asia.
Kay
No.
maayo man ron ang panahon kay kanang 50s ay kagwang na. Ore, nagduwa ang iro ug ang bata nasa akong likod. Nagtuyok. Masulaso man pud paano. Si. Ang iro ug ang bata Okay. Almost sunset.
Yeah.
Nagaduwa. Wala good me din ay nag-relax sa kay after sa long, thick nga snow atong last week. Grabe. Tugnawa karon ning init na melt na ang snow. So oks na. Uli na pud mirong taod-taod kay hopefully ma-okay na kay para karong puhong spring na mga trabaho di nakitugnaw ba kas diri dapita tanuhan og tamnan og mga kahoy fruit trees diri og bingabiris kay nice ba og naay mga lagotmon or kaning mga fruits mga berries nga itanom kay wa manin ati man kod pila ka mga months or years. Oy, agoy ang iroog ang bata. You go there cause I don't want you and Asia is here cause she was gonna jump on you and I don't want you fall down in the
I don't want that.
okay.
Cover for this.
Asia, are you a good girl? Mutupong na nakog moambak. Tup nga nakog moambak. Naoy muli na kay tugnaw. Sugod na katugnaw kay gabi ina.
The next day.
Patubo na og takway ba ni kasap sweet potato para itanom. Okay, when I went to the Asian store, I bought different kind of variety of sweet potato. There is white skin and then white inside. And there is also white skin but purple inside. And there is
Now, attend, please.
red skin and white inside. And there is also a red skin but very deep purple inside. This is OB. So this is what I'm going to plant, but I cannot plant like that, so I need it sprout first. So here it is. I think last month I put this, soak it in the water, and then I put it in here in this, buried it in a soil, and then it sprout and have like this. Now it's long. What I did is I get that in there and get the water and then soak it with water. See how many I get now? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So that's 11 all. It's getting longer now, so I need to cut, and then it's soak again in water, and what come out is like that. So now I'm waiting for the right temperature outside, 60 to 70 degrees I think, or 80 degrees, so I can plant this. But sweet potato is okay because even you put it under the soil, it's fine because there is insulation before the last frost, because it's pretty much May first week or second week. That's the time that we plant. Now this one I have to put water and they're popping out small, kind of like that. So that's what it is. That's how I get my sweet potato. Ingani. Then itanom din na ako sapat ang uban while if it's getting longer, itanom na ako I plant it in the pot, and then later on, and the weather is really nice, then that's the time that I transfer it to the ground or what area I want to plant. Okay, then overview lang ni ha. Na ako'y tomato diri na cherry tomato that I saved throughout fall, then now winter, and then after that, and then I see, look, I see one fruit. So I get the fruit and squish it in the pot. So what happened is there, and I put water, and they grow now. I think that last week I did that last week. See, and that's how I get my tomatoes nga itanumay dito sa garden. And thinking to do different variety of tomato. And yeah, when it's ready, and I will separate it and transfer it to the. Okay, I like to see flowers. Hopefully it's not really too much cold outside, so I can put my dragon fruit. This is an experiment dragon fruit, and look, they are growing now, and this one is getting taller, and that one is popping out too, but the rest is not. So I can put some of my plant outside. This started to get to look like a small jungle in here. Okay, that's all. That's my snake plant inside, and I really like it because it will help clean out, filter the bad air. Kanang sige pangutot Maini ka na mga palautot, hala, kuha maning buwaka. Bitaw eh. Filter lagi daw ni, mamay giingon. Then I bought one pot in Lowe's and separated. So madaghan. Ya, gitagaan pud ko sa akong amiga og ingani nga kani dag. Mao na. Na diri skillets kwarto, naapod may diri mga tanom kay ako gibutang din hinga. Pang filter ba. Ay nang naimangutot din hing dapita sa naghigda. Na siya salba-salba diri nga kuan. Filter sa iyang hangin. Unya diring dapita. Naapo dire snake plant. Tulo ka buok nga pat. Kay may na lang ni motubo din kay tambok ni sing hintubo siya dali kay ngano naam ko dito kasi lias. So okay. Mupay pagmata na mo. Bye-bye. Thank you.